purpose is to spread the yoga teachings to as many human beings as possible.
我们的使命是要把瑜伽的教导尽可能去宣扬给越多的人越好。
Yoga is for all.
因为瑜伽是给所有人的。
Sometimes some people think like, oh, but I'm not flexible enough. I cannot do yoga.
有些人可能会觉得我不柔软，我可能不适合练瑜伽。
To those people, we tell them, no worries. You actually need yoga, and we will adapt the poses so they are suitable for you.
那我们会告诉他们不用担心，那因为我们会调整那个练习，让那些练习适合于你的身体去做。